Wagwan guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Kim in Jamaica. Guys, today is Sunday, I'm there at work uptown Scotiabank. Guys, me there at Scotiabank. That's why I ended up on the building. Because the building are refurbished, so Sunday in the town and not much activity, but I have nothing to do more than stand here for 12 hours guys. But for sure I look up if you want to walk one and see what my day are doing, nothing at all. Can't tell them that you know guys, somebody are not doing anything, but they are. They are have a streets. The police station they don't mess up. Guys, we know Friday I'm gonna post a video and I'm gonna wonder what go on, but work and no time. Because guys work like basically 6 days a week, sometimes 7. So most time guys when I have no time, I have no time at all for myself like that. And on Sunday when I go home, you know, see I work, washing and ironing and all of that for Monday morning again. So I could go and spend the day with me in the town and see what I go on. Because I'm not leave work till tonight. Dead. Guys, you know, so a madman come to fight me this morning. The man have big stone in him and ready for demolish my face. The street empty. Just 1 and 2 local movements and people are traveling. Not much that they have to do. Just me and God alone right now. As always. Yes, I feel hungry. Can't book on a tour of the town because when I really left my location, so I can make a one walk, no one again. Tomorrow guys, I say back to school and all of that because the Easter holiday run off, you know. I have to go home, go press and ensure say my little uniform I'm ready for tomorrow morning and my uniform I'm ready. Ouch. Port Antonio station, you know, place nice to them fix up over the good. Just a dead town in Port Antonio. Dead day in Port Antonio town. I'm gonna look some seasons, you know. Hopefully I can find some of the people around William Street who are selling vegetable today. As I go home, go cook my dinner. Go and go cook. Go cook some pumpkin rice and fish later because I ain't gonna cook no rice and peas. Ain't gonna cook no rice and peas today. Because I'm gonna reach home, I get tired, I'm gonna sleep. Like I'm gonna sleep now because guys, me there work and God knows I'm gonna sleep because I watched till late last night. Because I know say machine take a while. If I don't wash, yes, so ouch. I think I'm gonna go bathroom. Anjo, I can't stay home. You break another money. So 6 days you plan for work and I left nothing for nobody else. I just me straight from the people in the location. Well, man, I'm getting in trouble for you guys because At some point, I forgot bathroom. So then I don't think I can at the restroom. Alright. Oh my Jesus, I'm tired. Eh? If me used to live at town? Yeah. You know me from over there? You sure? Which part over there you know me from? Which part you call so? No go so. Price right where this road. So man tell me know me from right this so. My God. Guys, the place dead, like seriously dead. I'm up on William Street. I got down William Street. You see the cameraman not come up like he want to come eat my food. Go on. Guys, I see a sun in a Port Antonio look. Like, cha-cha. How much you Irish? Oh, I want to have again. And I have a tomato. Hmm?
They have some ripe tomato from the week before.
How much a bag for them, man?
They like a 150 for them.
250 a pound and this is for 150. No, cucumber, you know.
$100.
Yeah, cucumber. Try sweet pepper. You know, I don't have no bag. Huh?
Scandal bag, you know. I'm here with my sweet pepper. Them.
Can you give me one? Can you give me one of your sweet pepper?
Now look, one big you call here with the sweet pepper. Them make me have now. Me have to say sweet pepper. Then I make it in a
Guys, I buy me something. I'm going to send the tomato and install it. But
you don't.
yeah, man, you look at it. One bag of pepper too. And the Irish. One sweet pepper.
You know the cucumber?
No, you know I eat the cucumber. I normally eat it, but I normally eat it. I have a time when I eat it, another time I eat it. Ice cream truck up forward there. Hey, what's it? Morning. I don't have a tomato, I really don't know. Oh, I see that. Doubt that. Oh, probably about 30. What's silver you want? It's a 30, yeah. 35. Yeah. So guys, I get my local something so I can go and go cook my local pot later. PP. Thank you. Oi! Wow! Guys, if people ever see me come from around William Street, I don't be in trouble. So I'm going to pick up Malika later. That's right now. So I'm going to see me. I'm going to look at Sword and 40. Come here, good girl, Maisha. Guys, we have one other YouTuber, Maisha. From where she want to do a video with me, guys, and I can't see her because her time in her feminine word. And M&G, that's what she name. Like you a Gabi, so you look so. So you could call me, tell me, say you got river?
No, and I am asking if I got work.
40 town festive right now. There's many scary people in there. We say if me no want none, a fish might eat. I think I pass and go on so. She might eat big fish. You can't cool it up. No, sir. I can't water this around on my back. I can go back from the location before me get myself in trouble, yeah? So you're pregnant? Who pregnant you? Yo, man, go back and work, you know. Bless up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, look more. Yeah. My YouTube channel. All I not subscribe yet, you know, but that's how you go on, man. Yeah.
So what about? So you put me on YouTube.
Me did tell you something I put up on my YouTube. Why you up on my YouTube for? After you not giving no likes and no views. Remember you're not famous again, you know. You know, so I'm crazy. I want to make me forget what I buy, you know. I don't think you tell that. I want to know. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, me know. You subscribe for one day. When I subscribe for one day, you will see. With the amazing M&G. So, one of them are going for without because them not tell me. They invite me, guys. They say, you know. She asked me when I go start there. I'm tonight at work, but I never know she changed between today.
Okay. Well, lucky then catch me because most of the time they are work.
Who do normally they work there, but you then call me and I have no duty.
Okay.
Me go.
Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man, we are going to link up on
guys,
night time,
please remember
man.
to support us. We all need your support and love.
Yeah, man, we are trying to reach up there, guys, so just help us reach up there, alright?
Alright.
Blessings, man. Look at work. I'm
One
going to go up
love.
on the work, yeah, man. Right, so we'll be able to sell me my go cooking dinner. Guys, you see all I'm letting people in location and they are road I go. But nobody not check for my location, you know. Nobody check for my location. Because they don't come. Maybe they work at daytime. Melinda and her husband, the guys. No, not right now, Melinda. But Jesus. Melinda feels so wash. So guys, at other spots, I'm going to look at Sunday tour where I'm going to reach, you know, because I'm going to start making, you know, keep you know, up to date with what I'm going. I am hot. The little walk here, my hot. Feel all sweat running on my shirt. And I'm not working on AC today. Like, seriously? I'm going to go back and look at tomato because the man gone. And in tomato, them green. More ripe tomato. And ripe tomato. I'm tired, you see? I swear I'm tired. I'm tired. I want to sleep right now, guys. My bed call me. My bed is calling me. I want to sleep. So guys, this is where I'm going to be sitting down all day until if I go buy lunch. And I'm going to use the bathroom. And basically, we have to go to the station, go ask them to use the bathroom because building lock up. We don't have no key to go inside. We don't have any keys to go inside, so we have to go ask them at the station to use them bathroom. So, the location is not really my thing, you know, guys, because I work which part I have proper facilities to use. It is not a woman thing, them location are a male location. Guys, we don't want the extra duty because we don't work the holiday, them, you know, I have to try and make up the money. So we just come out and take it there, man. You know, so if I buy one stand, you know, a phone stand, can't remember. I need to get one so I can put on my phone and talk soon. My eyes them a bleed. My eyes them a bleed. Guys, I tired, me tired here. Tired, like really tired. And Malika never there home from last week, so you know, so when him come this evening, double work, double trouble. And for the rest of the week, I got tired, more tired too. Swear. My glass I reflect everything. I go on with this up. The guy is somebody going all it's half in the morning and what time now? So I go on is wait till then time they come. Tired was a person, that's me. So guys, later on we keep on up to date, so I go on. I don't know what time I ready for coming back earlier or late, but hopefully I get one 6:30, 6:45 because God know guys I'm tired, like really tired. I'm going to go barber, you know. I'm tired. Guys, I'm at work and Ronaldo come check me. I got barber. You see head? You see ear? Look at ear now. Guys, I didn't plait up him ear now. The boy don't keep him ear for a week and him pull it out. And him ear nothing hours. I mean, him ear come one little boy head. Well, I'm not going to come Malika here today because babysitter then come for him here. So, I only got to press him close and when I reach home, so I walk with Ronaldo go see if no barber opening can go get him here start out for school tomorrow. Hopefully, barber them open. I don't know if none of them upstairs opening now, but that's the one right up there. So. But don't body upon the plaza up there. So. Eh? That film business,
Just how I go before me come around this. You them in there.
barber shop is all lock up, so I have to go farming now. Go see if farm building the barber around there because I'm not getting here starting for tomorrow. Ouch! I can't go say son up man. You're just a shot that up so. Yeah, I see the barber shop but no body not in there. But the ear just are open. Eh? Yeah, I know that's why I said something one of the land the care no go. Rasta. We meet up again. Whatever good luck. Whatever good luck eh? Yeah man, second one. Whatever good luck or a blessing. Which one of them? A good luck or a blessing? Guys, I have a heap of fans, you know. People don't love me in the street to see it. I want to sleep, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I do everything. Can't wait to go and go cook in the evening. So, let's see if we find the barber, guys. Guys, when I time my eyes start itching me, I'm going to rub it and it gets... It feel like it's swell. But I gotta find an idea, I swear man. Oh God. If Attented was a person. I mean I have Kyle number, if I have Kyle number I could have called him, you know. Look on a Sunday, look on Portland Sunday sun. Guys, the sun hot like yo man tell us I'm gonna do well with the river. And guys, we if we're gonna Navy Island today and then postpone it now guys, I'm gonna go over there you know. Cause I wanna go to some good views and take up back where island boy put on, you know. Alright. Huh? Only you say nothing about that one.
That's something that he tell me.
And that's why I never bother go to work. Hello. You want Finley? When you say not never there, but I go and I'm come to work today, nobody go. And then now some girl gonna reply me, you know, them gonna reply to them, I go. Guys, me not sure you know for crossroad, you know, so. One good Samaritan stop and cross. What Antonio full of mad people, they're afraid. It's alright, now they're on the road.
And I work at this, every guy, Do you want to go to Ireland today?
Otherwise it's called farming building. So I'm gonna come and look at farming building and know what I did. Right next to me here. There's a good news about it, you know? Yes, I must I want to watch. Eh? If you pick up on it? On the phone?
Yeah. Snapchat.
Oh, yeah, no. You know, I never go through snaps up them. You go through it? Right now, well, I might go snap them gone. I think it's so too dark, bro. So I go buy one hat. So guys, see them, find one barber. I'm gonna stay him because I leave. You know, I'm a video. Then I'm a video. Black my phone screen. Tell the man where you want to take here, no? When I not get 16 yet. And them run school up there. Link when you're done. The amount of time in cutting, if you never cut in your than tall. Guys, I go back at my location. See this? See the view from the angle here of the pier. So the entrance. The main entrance on the pier, guys. Well, I look a big town still, you know. I look a big town. Boy, I don't know when you get them talking from though, I swear. I don't know where I got these kind of talks from. Guys, I'm already a barber now, so boy, when I'm done, when I'm finished, I'm come check. Guys, over this I get hot. So because over this I get hot, I come across the road. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Help me reach 1K upwards, guys. Peace. I'm out. Love you guys. Mwah. Blessings.